Now we have a complete sentence here. Now we'll try to find out in this sentence what are our parts of speech. For example, hooray! Shyam and his team won the exciting match yesterday. Now you see one thing. Shyam is a name. Team is a group of people, so it is also a noun. Shyam. Match is something being played. Okay. So name, place, animal, thing, thought, ideas, these are all noun. So Shyam, team and match, these are nouns. Nouns. Now, this match was exciting. So exciting is basically, a match is a noun. No, exciting is describing this match, how it was exciting match. So adjective, exciting is adjective. Because it is describing what? It is describing the word match, noun. How about won? Now, won the match. One is describing one is basically a verb. Because what is being done? The team won. So, one is a noun, is a verb, sorry. Verb is this. Now, when it was won yesterday. So, this word yesterday is describing verb, so this is a adverb. Now we talked about all the content here, but we didn't talk about and, we didn't talk about the, we didn't talk about hooray. What are these? These are called supporting words. So these are basically used to join the main parts of speech together. So these are adding to information of the sentence. So these are supporting part of speech. So we'll talk about this article. This is a and the. So we'll be taking the example also. Articles are a and the. Conjunctions, that is two different parts or you can say sentences can be combined. Preposition is place. It is talking about position, in, on, under. Interjection is certain feeling coming out. Okay, let us see all of these with an example. So supporting parts of speech, these are articles, a and the. So generally they are used before noun. Articles are used before noun. And is always used before a noun, generally with the noun starting from a, e, i, o, u. These are vowels. The others, that is the consonants, we use a. The is referring to a specific or a particular word. A specific word. I'll just give an example. Okay. Wow. The boy was taken by surprise because he saw a bird flying over his head. Now, if you see here, we have the. This is boy is a specific person. Now, a is used. A bird. Bird, B is a consonant. So, we use a. Otherwise, if it would have been vowel, we will use an. Bird is a vowel. B is a vowel. Coming to conjunctions. Conjunctions and, but, because. So these are adding to nouns, phrases or sentences. So the two different sentences, two different phrases or two different nouns can be joined using and, but, because. Let us see here. Example. Wow, the boy was taken by surprise because. Now this because is a conjunction. The boy was taken by surprise is by itself a sentence. Because he saw a bird flying over his head. Right? So and, but and because. Preposition. Just remember positions here. Position. It is talking about position. On, over, in, under, where. So it is this connect. This preposition connect one word with another, and it usually answer where, when, and how. On, over, in, under. So this is talking about combination, and also it is talking about the position. Where, when, how. The boy was taken by surprise because he saw a bird flying over his head. Over is a preposition. Flying over where? Where? Over his head. So it is as giving the answer. Interjection. Interjection is emotion. Like it can be happiness, it can be surprise, it can be anger, it can be pain. So wow, help. This wow is an interjection. Right? So this is wow. So we saw this is a single sentence and we saw there are so many things, parts of speech.